Oppo ने इंडिया में रिसेंटली लॉन्च किया अपना Find N3 Flip at a starting price of 77,190. Find N3 Flip makes 6.8-inch AMOLED main display है with 120 Hz of refresh rate and एक 3.26 इंच का AMOLED cover display. ये फोन Dimensity 9200 प्रोसेसर से पावर्ड है. कैमरास के लिए इट कम्स विद a 50 मेगापिक्सल मेन सेंसर, an 8 मेगापिक्सल अल्ट्रा वाइड सेंसर एंड a 32 मेगापिक्सल सेल्फी कैमरा. It got viral because of how it looks, but then 2020 से पहले तो ये भी ridiculous ही लगते थे. The freshly brought to India Dyson Zone is a pretty unique and impressive device. ये एक प्रीमियम वायरलेस हेडफोन है जिसमें इंटीग्रेटेड है एक impressive personal air purifier. The air purifier bit, it will start making sense once the winter smog sets in Delhi. So for now, let's just say it's great that it can be detached. As for the headphone bit, ये one of the most well-built headphones है because everything you touch gives you confidence and screams premium. इसका native sound quality काफ़ी अच्छा है, clarity तो बहुत stellar है. But because the headphone bit actually has compressors built in जो हवा को खींचते हैं and then it is housed in metal, this bulk helps with passive isolation which is good. And upon activation, active noise cancellation is so much better. आप Dyson के companion app से इसके काफ़ी सारी features को control कर सकते हैं, but as a product, it is a new segment in itself. Qualcomm ने recently host किया a wireless broadband and connectivity day in Delhi. The major talking points being 5G and how it will bring in last mile connectivity for the rest of India.
5G is very further reaching economically, socially, and as we know, 35% or 40% of the country is not yet connected. And so the sooner you get 5G capabilities out there and not rely entirely on fiber, because deploying fiber takes time. You have to dig trenches. You have to make sure you have the right areas available to lay the fiber. 5G is fairly instantaneous.
ये इवेंट एक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी था to see the experiential benefits जो 5G, 6G and 7G लेके आएंगे.